Top 10 Fighter Jets in the World, 2025. Number 10, Saab JS-39 Gripen E, Sweden. A cost-effective yet highly capable fighter with advanced radar and electronic warfare systems. Number 9, Shenyang J-35, China. A new stealth fighter developed for both land and aircraft carrier operations. Number 8, KF-21, Boramae, South Korea. A modern next-generation fighter with stealth features and advanced avionics. Number 7, Dassault Rafale, a battle-proven multi-role fighter with strong electronic warfare and strike capabilities. Eurofighter number 6, Typhoon, Europe. A highly agile multi-role jet known for air-to-air excellence and advanced weapon systems. Number 5, F-15EX Eagle II, USA. A powerful 4.5 generation fighter with massive payload capacity and modern radar systems. Number 4, Sukhoi Su-57, Russia. A stealth fighter combining advanced avionics with high speed and super maneuverability. Number 3, Chengdu J-20, China. China's first fifth-generation stealth fighter designed for long-range dominance and modern aerial combat. Number 2, F-22 Raptor, USA. The world's best air superiority fighter, famous for stealth, supercruise, and extreme maneuverability. Number 1, F-35 Lightning II, USA. A fifth-generation stealth multi-role fighter with advanced sensors and network-centric warfare capabilities.